If you're managing clients on WhatsApp, do you actually know how they're feeling? Are they happy? Are queries getting resolved fast enough? Or is frustration quietly building up? The problem is, you can't read through every single chat to find out. That's where Periskope's AI comes in. It analyzes sentiment across all your chats instantly, so you can spot issues early and act before it's too late. In this video, we'll show you how. Let's take an example. Here's a chat where a customer has reached out to us. Open the chat and click on the chat assistant from the right side panel. Simply ask, "What is the sentiment of this conversation?" The AI reads through the entire chat and gives you an instant summary, whether the customer is positive, neutral, or frustrated, and why. Want a broader picture across all your chats? Use the Org Assistant. Click the AI icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to open the Org Assistant. Ask, which chats have negative sentiment this week with demo label. The Org Assistant scans across your workspace and brings back exactly what you need, so you always know where to focus your attention. With AI sentiment analysis, you don't have to guess how your customers are feeling. Periskope tells you instantly. Give it a try, the link is in the description.